Did 2024 leave you reeling from crypto losses? You're not alone. But what if 2025 could be the year you not only recover those losses, but emerge as a profitable trader? This video reveals the secrets to turning your fortunes around. So, watch the video till end, and after that, share your reviews in comments section below. Until then, let's have some wealthy discussion. Yo, crypto crew. Welcome to YouTube channel The Hidden Coin, where we dig deep into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting realm of altcoins, uncovering the top 5 contenders that could explode in 2025. Now, before we jump into the juicy details, let's be real. Investing in crypto comes with its fair share of risks. This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research. Consult with a qualified financial advisor and only invest what you can afford to lose. Unless it's your uncle's basement, then that's a different story. We all know an uncle who's invested in a few things. All right? Let's get down to business. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for the crypto market. We're witnessing groundbreaking advancements in blockchain technology, innovative DeFi applications, and a growing global adoption of cryptocurrencies. Just imagine your grandma trying to figure out how to buy a Shiba Inu coin. Bless her heart. With this backdrop, we've meticulously analyzed the market and identified 5 altcoins with the potential to deliver explosive growth. Buckle up, crypto enthusiasts, because this is going to be a wild ride. Hold on to your butts and your Bitcoins. Coin 1, ENA. Kicking off our list is ENA, a cryptocurrency that has generated significant buzz in the market. Launched in 2024, ENA experienced a meteoric rise following its Binance listing, reaching an all-time high of $1.50. While a subsequent downturn followed, fueled by selling pressure and the broader crypto market's volatility, ENA has shown remarkable resilience. Probably because nobody can actually pronounce it. What makes ENA stand out? Firstly, it garnered significant attention from the crypto community, particularly on Twitter, with many expressing bullish sentiment, mostly because they kept tweeting the wrong emoji and meant to be bearish. Secondly, institutional adoption is gaining momentum, with Grayscale reportedly adding ENA to its investment portfolio. And get this, even Trump's team, through World Liberty Financial, has shown interest in ENA.now. That's a powerful endorsement, especially considering they probably think it stands for Make America's Crypto Great Again. With a current market cap of $2.8 billion and predictions from whales pointing to a potential price surge to $3, ENA is definitely a coin to keep a close eye on. Or maybe 2 eyes, just in case this whole crypto thing goes bust. Coin 2, Pengu. Next up, we have Peng, the native token of the Pudgy Penguins ecosystem. This project gained significant traction through its generous airdrop, rewarding users of popular platforms like NFC MetaMask and Phantom Wallet. While the initial airdrop led to a surge in selling pressure, as is often the case, Peng has consistently demonstrated its resilience. It has weathered every downturn, showcasing remarkable strength and defying market volatility. This Pengian has proven it has what it takes to fly high, unless it gets eaten by a digital fox. Backed by the expertise of Luca Netz, the visionary behind Pudgy Penguins, who has provided valuable investment insights, Peng has garnered significant investor confidence. Although reaching $1 is a bold prediction, it underscores the bullish sentiment surrounding this project. Or maybe it's just because everyone loves penguins. They're like the crypto world's mascot. Coin 3, Injective, INJ. Now, let's talk about Injective, INJ, a favorite among many investors and traders. INJ has delivered impressive returns in recent months, and its future looks even brighter. Just don't get injected with it. That would be a bad investment. The Injective team recently unveiled a groundbreaking proposal to make INJ deflationary. This means the circulating supply of INJ will gradually decrease over time, potentially driving up its price significantly. With overwhelmingly positive feedback from the investor community, this deflationary mechanism could propel INJ to new all-time highs. Or it could just confuse everyone even more, because let's face it, crypto can be complicated already. Currently boasting a $2.6 billion market cap, Injective is a strong contender in the altcoin space, although it sounds like something you'd get at a hospital. Coin 4, Beam. Moving on, we have Beam, a gaming-focused blockchain that initially developed on the Avalanche Network. In a major development, Beam is breaking free from Avalanche and transitioning to an independent Layer 1 blockchain. This strategic move signifies a significant step forward for Beam, allowing for greater autonomy and flexibility. Beam is taking flight on its own, ready to soar to new heights. Hopefully, it doesn't get shot down by the crypto regulators. With the support of prominent figures like Alex Becker, who has included Beam in his list of favorites, this project has garnered significant attention. Probably because Alex Becker has a really good sense of humor. Or maybe he just likes the name. Currently valued at $1.4 billion, Beam has the potential to capitalize on the growing gaming and metaverse sectors. Just hope it doesn't get sucked into a black hole. That would be a real downer. Coin 5. Lumia. Last but not least, we have Lumia, a high-risk, high-reward investment. With a relatively small market cap of $140 million, Lumia is considered by many to be significantly undervalued. This Lumia is flying under the radar, but it's attracting the attention of some big players. Hopefully, it doesn't get hit by a meteor. Several prominent whales believe in Lumia's potential and are accumulating its tokens. This strong belief from experienced investors suggests that Lumia could be on the verge of a significant breakout. Or maybe they just really like the color blue. While the risks are higher due to its smaller market cap, the potential rewards could be substantial, but also potentially devastating. That's the beauty of crypto, right? There you have it, Crypto Crew. Our top 5 altcoin picks for 2025. Remember, this is just our perspective, and the crypto market is constantly evolving. Kind of like my hair. Always conduct thorough research, consult with a financial advisor, and invest wisely. Unless you're feeling lucky. The future of crypto is bright, and with the right due diligence, you can position yourself for success. Or at least avoid financial ruin. Stay informed, stay curious, and keep exploring the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. But don't forget to take breaks and enjoy life. Crypto isn't everything, although it might feel like it sometimes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting crypto content from the Hidden Coin. Until next time, happy trading. And may the odds be ever in your favor. Disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, I just play one on YouTube.